In this video, I will show you how to fix Tesla hood not opening. So if your Tesla hood is not opening, what you can do is you can head over right here and then ensure that the car is unlocked and power on. Use the touchscreen or mobile app to release the latch, restart the touchscreen and check for obstruction. And for in here, we have in here a breakdown for the steps. So ensure the car is unlocked and power on, and the hood release system may not work if the vehicle is locked up or power up. You can use the touchscreen or mobile app, tap the frunk icon on the touchscreen, or use the mobile app to release the hood. You can also restart your touchscreen by heading over and holding both scroll button or scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds. You can also check for obstruction if there's something that's blocking the hood from opening. So you can also do a manual release depending on your model. So we have it here for Model S, Model 3 as well. So Model S, just put the mechanical release lever below, push down the secondary latch level, and then there are two manual cables in the right and left front wheel that can open the hood. So for the Model 3, if you have no low voltage, you can locate the tow eye cover, release it, and pull the wire to expose the terminals. And the two manual cables on the right and front wheel may actually open the hood. So if there's some error, you can consult the actual Tesla service center and then have it on the service center for them to fix it.